Ladies, mates, kids, today we're going to be doing pancakes.
I hope everybody's doing well today, guys. Below, I have a picture of the pancake dish we're going to create together. Please subscribe if you guys have not yet subscribed and join the 360 family. We have two beautiful pictures of the dish we're going to create, and we also have a small picture of the ingredients. But let's go straight into the dish. So this is where we're going, guys. Have a good look. We're going to create it all together. Ingredients required. We're going to need some flour, some milk. We're also going to need some baking powder, some butter, sugar, and vanilla, 2 eggs, got a bit of a shaky camera there. Alright, let's get into it. You need a bowl and a whisk. We're going to start off with our 2 eggs. And our sugar. I'm going to whisk that together. Once that's whisked together, we're going to add our baking powder to our flour. We're going to add our milk, and we're also going to add our vanilla extract and butter. At this point, we give another whisk. Once you're happy, start slowly incorporating the flour to your wet mixture. Pay very close attention to the technique. I'm slowly incorporating the flour with my mixture. I'm making sure I'm getting all the sides. Once I'm happy, I add the second half of my mixture. Well, a little bit less than my second half, and then I go all in. I'm going to mix that until I'm happy. Happy meaning you got all the sides. If you notice, I'm getting all the sides. That looks about ready. We're going to start off with a little bit of melted butter. At this point, we do not want to put too much butter, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. The pot, as you can see, guys, is too hot, so I've moved it to the side. You're in full control of your heat. You want to start off this pancake, guys, with medium heat. So we pour that right in. Once your pancake is poured in, you're going to put your pot back on your fire. What we're looking for here, guys, is the pancake to start bubbling up. That's a clear indication that your pancake is ready to be flipped. So we're going to wait about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Let it go nice and slow. You do not want to rush it because you're looking for that nice golden brown on your pancake. You guys could have a closer look. Once you start seeing little holes in the pancake, you know it's about ready to get flipped. So I've zoomed it up for you guys so you could have a closer look. So I've done that. I've waited 2 minutes on each side, and then now I'm gonna execute a nice flip for you guys. Boom. Let's try it again. Boom. Once more for good luck. Epic fail. We could do it. Boom. If you notice, guys, this side is not the side that's ready. The side before would be my presentation side. and repeat the process 3 times, and this is your finished product. I hope you guys learned something. Comment any questions. I read all my comments. I'm happy to fill you guys in. I have another picture here of the finished product. I've used some icy sugar to garnish. I also garnish with a bit of strawberry. Thank you guys for watching this video.